How to fix Reelshot crashing on iPhone. Is a Reelshot app crashing unexpectedly on your iPhone? A crashing app can halt your creativity, but there are simple fixes. This guide will walk you through common solutions to get Reelshot running smoothly again. The first and easiest step is to force close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to open up the app switcher, find Reelshot and swipe up on its card to close it completely. Then tap on Reelshot again to open it. This can clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check your phone storage. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General and iPhone storage. If you're low on storage, delete all apps or photos. After freeing up space, restart your iPhone completely. This clears the system's memory and can often fix persistent crashing issues. Finally, ensure that both of your Reelshot app and your iOS are up to date. Go to App Store, search for Reelshot, and then tap Update if an option is available. Then in the iPhone settings, go to General and Software Update to install any pending iOS updates. Updating often includes bug fixes and can prevent crashing. You've successfully learned how to fix Reelshot crashing on your iPhone. Get back to editing without interruptions. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot troubleshooting tips.